good morning. So it's 9:30 in the morning and I know it's quite late for me to wake up, but taking in consideration my mental health, it's alright because yes, it's fucked up these days, but let's not talk about that. And I'm making this vlog today because I have some things that I can show you in the vlog. So yes, we are going for our first dose of vaccination today. Finally, I'm 18 so I can get vaccinated as well. And my mom isn't vaccinated at all. Sorry. So yes, today we both are going to get our first dose of vaccination, and after that more interesting things lined up in the day. So yeah, stay with me and for a second turn off your live because you are watching Nikki's Tech Live. Well, I have seen people going to get vaccinated in proper OOTDs, but I'm too lazy to do that. And also after coming from there I have to go somewhere else, and that's more exciting. So I thought I'll come back, then I'll take bath, and then I'll wear something good. So mission vaccination is failed because वहाँ इतना crowd था कि and like वहाँ पे vaccination लगने से ज़्यादा I guess corona फैल जाएगा. So yes, we decided to go back home. Back home. मेरा गेट भी नहीं खोला. So now we have to take bath, get ready. Hi, I just had shower and now I'm ready to leave. Guess what? I just got a cut. And जैसे मैंने पार्लर में बोला that I want a cut in my eyebrow, they were like, literally this was their reaction. Like they asked me 3 times like I really want to get a cut in my eyebrow, and that was like very strange for them. But yeah, I got it and I think it's cool. But yeah, of course my mom doesn't like it. Anyways, so we are ready to leave. I'm just gonna go and have something. You still don't know when I'm going, so be excited. मैं भी नहीं बताऊंगी. Hi guys, so I'm in a bus right now and the bus is like completely empty. Like I'm the only passenger right now and we are gonna reach like in like 30 to 40 minutes, and for that the bus needs to start and that will take 10 minutes itself. So I don't want to keep it a secret anymore. I am going to see my Masi who were there like the last weekend I guess. So this weekend I am going to see them, and they have just shifted to a new house, and I just noticed that I have inverted my mask. I need to change that. Arrived here and I'll update you later. Okay, so it's been like a few hours since I reached, but then we had a plan to again go out, so I didn't change. We relaxed and now we are going to get some stuff for the house. So we are out here on the road searching for some water delivery services and we couldn't find even one. Like this place is quite deserted, I would say. Like there's nothing else except for hotels here. So let's see. We are going to try our luck a little more. Like Masi is already exhausted, but yes, we are going to search a little bit more. It's some dairy shopping, too much white. Hi, so we returned back home like 1.5 hours ago, but both my hands were so busy with all the stuff that I couldn't vlog outside. So yes, we just cooked like paneer and it looks delicious. I cannot wait to have it, but yeah, we will not have it now because no one's hungry. So you know what, I really feel so good whenever I come to meet my Masi, and it's like a really detox session, I'd say, for me from all the toxicity in my life, because yes, there is a lot. So yeah, this is going to be a really nice time. It's like 1 a.m. in the morning and we are not asleep. Of course, it's weekend, we are going to enjoy. And right now we are having this cool ass tea right now. It's some jasmine tea. I don't even know what this fancy thing is, but yes, we are having it right now. And I'm like so confused how long we are going to stay awake after having this, because it's quite refreshing. Hi guys, it's 12 in the morning and we were sleeping till 11 a.m. and of course we didn't have to do anything important. It's weekend after all. So right now everything's just getting done with the chores like bathing, washroom and stuff. I have already taken bath, and after that
I'm looking forward for this day because I know it's gonna be fun. So yes, I know I'm not like showing you a lot of stuff because I respect that they want privacy, and yes, I don't want to like get in between that. So yeah. कहते हैं मुझको हवा हवाई. She was awesome. Hi guys, so it's like 2 in the morning and of course we are awake. We all tried to sleep but then we couldn't. So my Masi came up with a plan to make poha and tea. So yes, we just had that and now we are thinking what to do because definitely we are not planning to sleep right now. So we had a small party kind of thing in the evening and then we had a wholesome dinner and I'm literally having a nice time here. So yeah, I'll go back on Monday maybe. Yes, Monday morning. So tomorrow is gonna be the last day. Let's see